This video is about the recent events which occurred at an Apple manufacturing plant in India. I first became aware of this issue after watching a video by YouTuber Louis Rossmann, and I found media coverage of this issue to be somewhat skewed. Articles such as the one written in Bloomberg and this one in the Business Insider just focus on it being a setback, without even addressing the reality that this revolt was over low wages. And after I read the other articles, such as the ones I found in the Times of India as well as the Hindustan Times, I felt they definitely needed more coverage. Articles such as this one in the Times of India were more blunt, pointing towards the cause, which was apparently the fact that the employees had been promised a much higher salary initially, only to then have it gradually reduced. According to this article, they were only paying engineering graduates 12,000 rupees. Some employees even alleged receiving as little as 500 rupees in their bank account. So that's a little shy of what they had initially promised. So then I thought, wait, maybe this isn't the complete picture. I need more context to determine what the living wage is in this area. Maybe these employees were just blowing this out of proportion. So I did a quick Google search, and lo and behold, the employees weren't lying. According to Google, the living wage for a single adult was around 10,000 rupees. And this was a study done in 2018, which also didn't specify area. Not only that, but it quoted the real wage of a medium-skilled worker to be between 13,400 to 20,300 rupees, so quite short of what Apple was paying their engineers, which I would say to be a medium-skilled position at the very least. So it seems that Apple's hopes when they had initially decided this massive production shift from China to India was for the workers to conform to whatever pay structure they felt adequately compensated them. But it seems as if when the workers weren't happy, they resorted to violence. Whatever the future looks like for Apple in India, one thing is for sure, that the Bloomberg Times were right when they said that this was going to be a setback.